Yeah, and then yabo like ngikhathele nobuntu ngikhathele nokukhathala right now. Ngikhathele nokukhathala right now. So like there's just a whole lot happening about, okay, not even about my team, the team that I'm about to speak about right now, but about me this week. I'm just like getting else. So if some of you all don't actually know, I'm also a Chelsea fan, and I'm a Chiefs fan. Like I just like Lobo C, I just like Lobo C, so I'm a Chelsea fan and also like a Chiefs fan, but the Chiefs it is my number one. And this week, apparently, I just got cooked 4 times. I just got cooked 4 times. Both of my teams, the whole week, they couldn't just win internationally, upwise, and also like domestically. They couldn't win. So yeah, today, because the Chiefs lost to an Angolan team, the score was 1. They scored us somehow, yeah, boy. And I just want to say, what we really deserved it. Always okay. I can't just like say that out there, but like the way things have been happening and stuff, about and the way you actually played, I believe was like we actually like deserved it. If I'm being honest, and yeah, all this about face, I don't know where I'm pants, where I'm going to the pants, but yeah, man, there's a lot. We're actually even like a team that doesn't even, we are actually just a family that doesn't even have like a father or somehow a natural, because of like the issue and stuff. And I don't wanna lie, it actually showed ukuthi ucoach vele beyangekho, because uNazri Nabi went there ukuthi ayo spy on this other team vele besodlala nayo vele yabo, and it showed ukuthi like we didn't prepare for for this match. It was a thing ukuthi we are supposed to play the way we are used to. We're just supposed to play to the way we are used to. As for basically focus on opponent, we didn't check the advantages and disadvantages, and somehow we got scored the same way we're getting scored about when we're playing against into is Kukune United. And another thing, yeah, where are all those fans when who were saying ukuthi na as lose mangekho now? I'm not here to push, by the way, like narrative ukuthi nah, the team doesn't suppose to like Harris or coach like Nasrana is better, whatever. I'm not here, but like I'm just sad the way things are actually happening. And then so yeah, I watched the match today, and then first half we actually created many opportunities, and then there's this guy I just want to speak about, like Ulile Pebble. I believe with today he had actually a good game, but the guy, I don't know. I feel like we feel like we match as Chile. I feel also it is a thing with circuit. I can just say a lot, but I'm trying to like about manage and compose myself right now. I just wanna manage and compose myself. About shoot me to figure ngale nto leyo ukuthi always we're playing very in careful about dlala very careful, and then there's a thing ukuthi now he wants the whole Africa to actually see the talent Ulilep and stuff. And then there are many opportunities. I with like lost like the game there. There were many opportunities. There was a time as a Kali game where he actually had to pass the ball about to Silva, but the guy just decided to Gutanto. I understand it was like we're forward, but there was a time with my guy, we are not in a better position about, and Silva being like a striker very that he is, it doesn't even need many chances, but akazange amnika uze like waphuma nophuma available with Silva angamnikanga. So which is why I was even saying which I think with like it is a thing or what. So into ukuthi I'm walking into a starting lineup. I know ukuthi match mayiqhubeka maba-substitute on the other side of i-wing yabo. I will via and swipe ama-side or ngihlale kule side leli ngidlala 90 minutes. I'm a type of a player ukuphinde likwazi ukudlala is converted ngibe a striker somehow. I can play on the right hand side, I can play on the left hand side, but on the left hand side I'm more effective. So there's nobody who's like can replace and stuff about going to we course, and I think that is just getting to like his head. That's much. He's a type of player like I enjoy the most about watching. He's a type of player. I'm sure I was even like capable of actually getting him over like who as soon as police. But yeah, he's supposed to. I believe, yo, brother, you're just being too much selfish. So please, yabo umoya wami like uphansi right now, please yabo unto fix that issue yabo bheka ngithi yabo, by the way guys yabo like ngikundela nginento then I actually even made a bet yabo last week. The reason ngikundela is because I made a bet this week sengithi last week when we lost against Kokhune, and I was like nah ngizoyisusa vele inwele zami zonke, and I didn't ngizange ngisisusa until I had issue kanaba yabo. So I just wanted ukuthi like ngihlise like inwele zami even though sesikhulile yabo, just to pay some respect to somebody who I actually take as the best coach somehow yabo on planet Earth. I understand. It is my opinion. This is my opinion. Also, you have a right to have an opinion yabo, but to me, I really like. I don't wanna lie, but it's like affected. I mean, I didn't learn yabo. It's like affected because now it is a thing which we don't even know which we are hamba or ruati and mahamba man technical team yakhe and mahambi supposed to build the need. And let's be honest, guys, before like Nabi, uthona makafika vele because he had an impact aways willing well and stuff. I must say but didn't actually show it. But if like ukudala ulibhekelela because you'll see what has the guy do, what has the man do, what has Baba Nabi do available. But I still go here because of that. I just wanted to address the facts available. There are still fans out there who actually believe Guti. Now it is not like we like at least like it him when he's not around about leave or wara. And then also I just believe on today's match available. It was also that thing which like best banjo like into what is this thing? In jet lag, yeah. I think best banjo like jet lag, which like we just crossing and maybe there's different time zones or whatever. There are many things that can affect as a player, but when you're playing to another country, especially because see effect like masadlala la domestically available, but when you are going to another country, there are many factors because like somehow the boys they couldn't just connect. The only person I would say actually had like a very good match. It is one and only Nyambo Somkhulu Thethwa, even though like Ayele Waluza like most of our balls, ne, but overall, I mean he was not like a best like play. He's not like who when I'm saying he had like a very, very good game today, even much more better than Lillepo. I'm not saying which like Ukubo 8 or 7. I think it was just like 6.5. Because perhaps a loser Villa Mapola most of the time, ne, but somehow the guy actually like was there very defensive like was very like a ning because we're just losing like balls unnecessary. And so this thing when I'm saying it's like it's just becoming too casual. There was a time I go midfield, he was just walking with the opponent, but it's like a ball and then like Unyambo was being the guy being our can't available. He actually recovered very that ball very over and over and over again. And I just want to address this issue with people actually putting pressure to him with as I'm a progressive baller phambili. I feel like people there's no need to actually do that. It is better like to give a back pass about than to pass uyisibhala phambili and then just to lose it. Because also another thing, always okay, let's just view this different, you know? It is a thing ukuthi mina ngicabanga ukuthi maphasele emuva yabo uyenza attack ukuthi into i-attack ibe very slow ne, but maphasele emuva yabo iplayer leli the opposite team player yabo maliyo attacker vele lapha maliyo maka vele ibhola yabo, that thing opens space, there'll be rotation. And also there's something that's actually noticed today about Nyambos, and I don't know, I just want to speak about him right now. I don't know if you actually noticed that the guy unalento leyo ukuthi i-movement yakhe is always available ne, but amabhola akawa-receive. I found it out ukuthi like that thing is doing it ukuthi like asuse like ama-player, so uzoba nalento ukuthi uzoba ne-availability yabo, but the guy because they know ukuthi akekho comfortable that much, they wouldn't pass him the ball ne, but he will take two of like ama-center midfielders and then move and then sakwazi ukuthi his progress. And then at the end of the match we had that problem ukuthi azange sayenza lento leyo, which was somehow we played like some ugliest game about the last 15 minutes, I swear, and that was even when even considered about livele ladlala i-match because bengazi ukuthi like bayenzani yabo, yeah, bengazi ukuthi vele lethi bayenza vele yabo. So I was like damn, what the hell, what the hell. So yeah, this is one of like my matches this is actually like a first match because I'm still like mad where the Kaizer Chiefs the way they actually running things where they manage me. So this is one of like I think it is the first match where like we lost about not the first match because about Konama matches which we played good about but like we lost for example last year when we were playing against in Sundowns and then we lost the first game of the season about on that match I didn't feel that much better about but on this one it was a thing which like akunawo la kunalo mdladla ukuthi now we're supposed to win in and another thing like the game was just even boring maybe mhlawumbe it was a thing which I wasn't interested that much but yeah man it is what it is. I can just take in a whole hour guys so I'm just supposed to like to cut like the video here so please subscribe let's get to 1000 and yeah let's grow the channel ukuthi ifike vele ne-message vele yabo kwi-course vele yabo but like our certification oh yabo isingisi moya wami uphansi I'm being abused I think le way le ukuthi like ngilose like 4 times this week both of my teams ne-Chelsea naye yangi-disappoint man yo bafethu angifuni ne-excess danko